Fall is fully in effect, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, TMR2886, True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe today. Today, we're doing a walkthrough of the Dollar Tree. And oh my God, fall is in effect already at the Dollar Tree. I was so surprised to see, as soon as I walked in, school supplies out. It's saying back to school. I cannot believe it's almost that time again. This notebook. I mean, how cute is this notebook? Yes. But I think when it comes to the Dollar Tree, they don't have the best deal on school supplies. I always get my school supplies deals from Walmart. Unless you're getting like that one-off, pretty notebook or something like that. The best deal you're going to get is at Wale World, because the school supplies is like dirt cheap. Crayons for a box, 25 cents. So I get the best deals at Walmart versus going to the Dollar Tree. But again, those unique things, just like these pencil holders and stuff, those unique things, they come best from the Dollar Tree. Another cool thing about school being back in session, colleges are about to be back in session. And when colleges are about to be back in session, they start having a lot of this, the totes and the mini tote things, the little storage things. I used to put my makeup in those, like those different color ones, the clear things, like the green one, the pink one up there, and they had a blue one. I used to put my makeup in those. You remember when we used to store our makeup in those things? And then, of course, that's like a little mini collapsible tote. But I love when colleges are back in session because all the little carriers and all that are at a low rate. I didn't show makeup. It wasn't much makeup to even show. But come on, look at that. That lip gloss or lip balm looks like it smells delish. It was an ice cream flavor. I do love that they do have nails. So if you don't have the money to go to the nail shop, and y'all don't mind my nails, I got to go to the nail shop today. But if you don't have the money to go get your nails did, you can do all that at home with stuff from the Dollar Tree. I love seeing that they had more Bolero and people weren't buying it because Bolero is getting boring. And that's why it's so much of it sitting there. They did have some pressure pads for your feet. The Dove cream. I seen the big Dove cream for $1.99. Like triple the size of that one. So I don't think that's really a great deal. But if you can't find the big one, I guess it is. They had the micellar cleansing water. Of course, I have a lot of those, so I didn't want to buy any more. Oil-free, acne wash. So let's say you can't afford expensive acne wash. Go to your Dollar Tree and spend $1 and get you some wash. They had all the different, coconut shave gels. Y'all know I love the Pure Silk coconut shave gel because it's coconut and flower oats or something like that. Let's get over here until the clothing item. I'm so upset with the clothing stuff that the clothing stuff is still on the ground. Look at that. Come on, Dollar Tree. Step it up. Why is the clothing on the ground? And then these I got for Grace. They were so cute. They are too big, but she's going to wear them underneath her sleep dresses. It's just like a sleep shorts, and it's from Trolls. They're back, y'all. The Pure Silk body washes. Yeah, you know I went crazy for these last year and had like 20. This year I left them alone because I have too many shower gels to get through. But they're back at the Dollar Tree, so definitely pick some up. And L'Oreal Colorista is at the Dollar Tree. That y'all, even though I'm showing you that, y'all see back there, they got the softy products back there for the African American hair and the black gel. Y'all know the black gel. So they got that too. Old Spice, y'all. I can't believe I saw Old Spice. Hey, Old Spice. So Old Spice is now at the Dollar Tree. Y'all know I had to show these glitter bath bombs. As soon as they go into the water and fizz, they sparkle. How cool is that? I just had to show that. I just had to. And they have so many different type of bath bombs here at this Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree really playing with us, y'all. Look at this. More fall stuff. All the fall colors, they are really trying to put us in fall, y'all. July ain't even here yet, and they are putting us in fall. But I've watched a video from Boho Guru yesterday, and she got me ready for fall too when she was talking about fall candles. So I'm in the fall now. Now Scott's, they got that. They always had the Scott's toilet paper. They have this toy, y'all. I play with everything. I don't know where it came from, but it's in there somewhere. The Glades, I don't find them as a good deal. These little container things, these are a good deal to me if you're doing one and done in throwaways. I'm just trying to get you guys down through this aisle. They still have the brownie baker thing. So if you like them that I showed last year, they still have some at some Dollar Trees. I love this parchment paper. If you're doing keto or you like to make sure things are nonstick, parchment paper is life. I use it for, my cheeses. When I'm trying to make a cheese base, kind of like it's bread, so to say, I use parchment paper. Just a trick. And then I love these little glass storage things because those work out really nice. They have the unicorn stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. My spiritual animal is a unicorn. Unicorn notepads, unicorn stickers. And in the back, that's a unicorn pad. Oh my God. Then they have pineapple stickers, which aren't as cool as unicorns, but whatever. And they have some bug ones too. Llama bags. They have a little llama coin purses. I think that's really cute for little girls. I don't see myself having a llama coin purse, but it is what it is. It's cute. They had some pins. They had some more stickers. They had all types of things. One thing I did see, it says faith in God includes in his timing. You see that? Faith in God includes faith in his timing, because we may not get things when we want it, but God will be there right on time. He's an on-time God. Yes, he is. And yes, I did bring it to a song. Don't make me get preaching up in this video, okay? So we're just going to move right along. Praise be, okay? So llama notebooks, dream catcher notebooks. These signs is ugly. I'm sorry, those is ugly. They're ugly. Wonder Woman pens. they had it all, you know. But do we need it all? No. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Come With Me. If you want them to continue, definitely make sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.